This video, I show you how to get paid to watch videos, which is one of the easiest ways to make money online. How to do that? Don't worry, I will show you everything, step by step in this video. Now let's get started. All you gotta do is just 3 steps. First step, take your mobile phone. Second step, click on the ads. And the final step, which is step 3, is to make money over and over again. So right now, let me show you the list of people from all over the world who have cashed out their earnings from this website. So you might be asking, how much can you really earn by watching ads? Well, for one ad, you can earn up to $1.5, which means if you watch 10 ads, you can earn up to $15. And if you watch 20 ads, you can earn up to $30, and if you watch 50 ads, you can now earn up to $75. The method which I will be teaching you today is 100% free, so you don't need to invest any money at all. And this is available worldwide. So wherever you are around the world, you can do this. Now all you have to do is come over to scarletclicks.info. So you can get paid by simply clicking on ads. So here on the top, you can see that they have paid over $2.5 million to over 1 million members all over the world. Now let's proceed to the sign up process. So just go ahead and click on this register button at the top right hand corner. And that will then take you to this page right here, where you can register as a member for absolutely free. Now you just have to fill in your full name, date of birth, your username, your password, your email address, and just confirm your email address and your password right here. After that, you can now enter your payment details where you want to receive your earnings. So once you log into your account, this is how it will look like. You will see a photo with a lot of small boxes. So there are 20 by 28 boxes. That means that there are 560 boxes here in this photo, and one box is equivalent to one ad. So all you have to do is just click on one of these boxes. And then you will earn money. In fact, here on the right side, you can see all the people who are earning money by clicking these boxes. So what you're going to do is just choose on one of these boxes right here. And that will take you to a random page. You just have to stay there for at least 30 seconds in order to get paid. For example, I click on this box right here. And that will take me to this page. I just have to wait for 30 seconds, and that's it. You don't have to do anything at all, just stay on the page and just wait. You don't even have to click on anything, and you don't even have to sign up. The opportunity is boundless, because as you can see, there are 560 boxes and you can choose on any box. What you're going to do is just click on any box you want and then stay on that page for about 30 seconds. Then you're going to earn money. Sometimes if you click on one of these boxes in a video, ad will show up. That's a good news, because video ads will make you earn double. So all you have to do is stay on that page until the video ends. And then you will earn double than regular earnings. Another bonus tip, which I'll be teaching you, is that sometimes on these pages, there are banner ads that look like this. Now what you're going to do is click on these banner ads. Because every time you click on these, you will earn extra. So what I mean is keep on clicking ads whenever you find some, because that will make you more money. Let me click on this banner ad right here. And that will lead me to this page, where I have to literally do nothing. As I said earlier, you don't have to do anything at all. And that's it. This is how you can make money just by watching videos. Make sure you keep count on bonus tips, because those tips will double your earnings. Thanks for watching this video. If you seek value out of this video, make sure you hit the like. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell. I'll see you in the next video with a new money-making method. Until then, stay tuned, keep earning.